Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how I am playing with my one book July. First thing I did was to create these labels. I used a super old stamp, which I never used before, to stamp the circle. The next thing I did was to stamp the day, and after all the stamping, I used a circle punch to create the labels. As I told you in my previous video, my personal challenge is not to use illustrated paper. That is why I'm painting my own decorative paper. I'm drawing super easy watercolor flowers, and if you're interested on a video showing how I am painting them, please let me know in the comments. And this is the end result. I really love the combination with the stamped label. This book is being super fun to play with. I will show you what I have done till now. I'm trying to combine my own pictures with some magazine pictures. On this page I play this game that I love. It is to take a picture and try to get some of the colors it has with my watercolors and make these swatches. This is a picture I made yesterday during my walk. I played with different filters and added scratches. I am enjoying editing my pictures with all those filters that are like too much for my family pictures. At the corner I included the swatch I made for the flowers, and on the other page I included this label that I painted also by myself. And this is the page I'm playing with today. I printed a picture of my lunch, wrote the new recipe that I invented, and added to the bucket that I created with this scrap paper from the labels. I probably will add some writing on the top later. I really hope this quick video gives you an idea of how I'm playing with it. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Bye bye.